Welcome students. Today we are going to see History Standard 7th, Chapter number 4, Maharashtra before the times of Shivaji Maharaj. Part 3. So let's continue to our first point of this module with Sant Jnaneshwar. We all have known about Sant Jnaneshwar. What he have done for the common people that we are going to see in this paragraph. He was a great sant in the Varkari movement. He wrote the Bhavartha Deepika or Jnaneshwari, which elucidates the meaning of the Sanskrit Bhagavad Gita. He also composed the Amrutanubhav. He preached the importance of the path of devotion, means bhakti, through his works and compositions. He showed a simple way of worship and conduct which the common people could follow easily. He gave this prestige of a religion to the Varkari movement. Though his life was spent in extremely adverse circumstances, he never lost the calm of his mind and never harbored bitterness. His Pasaidan in Jnaneshwari uplifts the mind. The poetic compositions of his brothers Sant Nivruttinath and Sant Sopandev and sister Muktabai are well known. Okay, Sant Jnaneshwar, also referred to as Janeshwar, Janadeva, Jnanadev or Mauli. He was born on 1275 and he died on 1296. Was a 13th century Indian Marathi sant, poet, philosopher and yogi of the Nath Vaishnava tradition. In his short life of 21 years, he authored Jnaneshwari and Amrutanubhav. These are the oldest surviving literary works in the Marathi language under the patronage of the Yadava dynasty of Devagiri, and these are considered to be milestones in Marathi literature. Sant Jnaneshwar's ideas reflect the non-dualistic Advaita Vedanta philosophy and an emphasis on yoga and oneness of Vishnu and Shiva, but an ardent devotee of Lord Vitthal, a form of Lord Krishna of Pandharpur. His legacy inspired Sant poets such as Eknath and Tukaram, and he has been regarded as one of the founders of the Varkari Bhakti movement tradition of Hinduism in Maharashtra. See, Sant Jnaneshwar was a great sant in all Maharashtra. He wrote the Bhavartha Deepika or Jnaneshwari. We know with the name Jnaneshwari, which elucidates means explain the meaning of Sanskrit Bhagavad Gita. Then he also composed Amrutanubhav. He preached is what? Sermonize the importance of devotion through his work and compositions. He showed a simple way of worship and conduct which common people and could follow easily, means common people they can follow and they should know the importance of the worship that whatever language he used, no, it was very easy to understand for the common people. And main important thing is, we know he was very calm person. He never harbored bitterness. Always kind person with all people. And we know about Pasaidan in Jnaneshwari. It was uplifts the mind. It is uplift the mind. Okay students, let's close our eyes and experience Pasaidan, which is written by Sant Jnaneshwar.
आता विश्वात्मके देवे येने वाग्यज्ञे तोषावे तोषो निमज द्यावे पसायदान हे जे खळांची व्यंकटी सांडो तया सत्कर्मी रती वाढो भूता परस्परे पडो मैत्र जीवांचे दुरितांचे तिमिर जावो विश्व स्वधर्म सूर्ये पाहो जो जे वांछील तो तेला हो प्राणिजात वर्षत सकळ मंगळी ईश्वर निष्ठांची मांदियाळी अनवरत भूमंडळी भेट तू भूता चला कल्पतरूंचे आरव चेतना चिंतामणींचे गाव बोलते जे अर्णव पियुषाचे चंद्रमे जे अलांछन मार्तंड जे तापहीन ते सर्वाही सदा सज्जन सोय रे हो तू किंबहुना सर्वसुखी पूर्ण होनीतिहि लोकी भजिजो आदिपुरुखी अखंडित आणि ग्रंथोपजीविये विशेषी लोकीये दृष्टादृष्ट विजये होवावे जी येथ म्हणी श्री विश्वेश्वरावो हा होईल दान पसावो येणे बरे ज्ञान देवो सुखिया
Okay, now open your eyes and feeling so relaxed, no, by listening this Pasaidan. Now we are going to see a small video of Samadhi, which is has taken by Sant Jnaneshwar. After the feast, Jnaneshwar desired to go into Sanjeevan Samadhi, a practice to voluntarily die after entering into a deep meditative state. Preparations for the Sanjeevan Samadhi were made by Namdev's son. Regarding Sanjeevan Samadhi, Jnaneshwar himself has emphatically talked about the relationship between higher awareness and light or pure energy in the form of electromagnetic radiations. On the 13th day of the dark half of the Kartik month of the Hindu calendar in Alandi, Jnaneshwar, then was 21-year-old, entered into Sanjeevan Samadhi. His Samadhi lies in the Siddheswara temple complex in Alandi. Namdev and other bystanders grieved his passing. According to tradition, Jnaneshwar was brought back to life to meet Namdev when the latter prayed to Vithoba for his return. This testifies to the immortality of genuine friendship and companionship of noble and loving hearts. Many Varkari devotees believe that Jnaneshwar is still alive. We have seen detailed information of Sant Jnaneshwar. Further part we'll see in next module. Thank you.